Hello, there are many of you out there who are wondering how old can a house be for you to get an FHA loan on that home. There are a lot of misconceptions out there on the age of the home, and the truth is that the age of the home is not a factor, meaning there's no guideline that specifically says that a home can't be beyond a certain age. Now there are that's not the same for mobile homes. There are stipulations or restrictions when it comes to mobile homes, but for stick-built houses, you could have a home that is a couple hundred years old. But here's the catch though. The home must pass the FHA inspection. FHA inspections are not easy, and they're designed to make sure that the home is safe and in working order. The mortgages are insured and backed by HUD, and they want to make sure that you're not buying a money pit, and then with only 3.5% down, now you've got a home that needs all these other repairs, and you might want to walk away from it, and now a lender is going to sit there holding the bag on a home that needs all of this extra work, faulty wiring, cracked foundations, things like that. So as long as the home can pass the FHA inspection, it does not matter how old the home is. I hope that answered your question. Now, if you want to purchase an older home and you think it may not pass the inspection, we have a solution for that. We can help you with the FHA 203K rehab loan, which allows you with an FHA loan to purchase the home and then also to make the appropriate updates to bring it up to standards. And all of that can be included in your total loan amount, which is another great way to get this done. Hopefully this answer was helpful to you. If it has, please hit that like button for me. If you want to talk to someone, maybe get a pre-approval, just visit us down below at FHAlenders.com. I'll put the links in the description and also the first pinned comment. Do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.